Hey there, today I want to talk about this dynamic duo. In fact, I'm calling it our superstar duo because of course it has a star. And I want to talk about how I use this for a better, more magical bedtime routine. So first of all, the book is one of our original board books. This is our own story, and it features our little dragons as well as it does feature our little star. So we really use this together. The nightlight that I'll talk about here in a second and the book work together as part of your bedtime routine. So in the story, the little dragon is afraid of the dark. And so the mother dragon helps the little baby dragon look through around the room, looking under the bed, looking in the toy chest, looking in the closet for the scary things that the little dragon is scared about. Very similar to our own children. Kids tend to have those wild imaginations at nighttime and think that there's something in their closet, something outside their window. And so this is a good practice. How I would use the book myself is while they're checking the toy chest, we check the toy chest and we look and see, is there anything in there? Nope. Just like Baby Dragon, there's nothing in there. Using it to look under the bed and in the closet for whatever they might be scared of. So then there's this wonderful moment in the book when Mama Dragon reaches down from the sky and grabs a sweet little star and uses that to light the room while Baby Dragon is sleeping, just to help make it not so dark. So this is a wonderful moment right here when you can bring out your little star and go, see, we have a star just like the Baby Dragon in the book. And so you can sit on next to their bed. It can sit on their nightstand. That this little star is going to be around for them, just like it is around for the little dragon in the book. And it helps for, sweeter dreams by having that little star. And this little star nightlight is, like I said, this is a superstar duo. And so this little star is just as important as the book. They work together. So it is very smooth. There's no rough edges on this little star. It's very easy for little hands to grab. On the back, it is fully enclosed. There's nothing to remove, to add, or change batteries. And this is a rechargeable nightlight. You don't have to go buy new batteries or anything like that. It comes with its own little micro USB cord that plugs right in the back right here. And you can plug this into any USB cord, including, I think, the one in your laptop, or if you have those little plugs for your cell phone, you can use this. And it doesn't take that long to charge, but while it charges, it has like a little red light showing, and then that red light will go out when it is fully charged. To turn it on, simply push it once and you'll see this little red light. That means the 15-minute timer is activated. I love this feature because this means I can leave this in the bedroom with my baby or my older toddler. It's going to go off without me. 15 minutes is a great amount of time for your child to fall asleep and yet feel like it is just bright enough so that they're not as scared of the dark. You can always turn this off. You can definitely use this for diaper changes with your baby. So you can just turn it off with one thing. If you want it to stay on without going off after 15 minutes, you can just hold it down for 3 seconds and it'll stay on. It'll take the timer off. So again, this little guy, superstar with our books. We have the books available with the teal dragon as well as the purple dragon. And together, this really makes a more magical bedtime routine. So be sure to check it out. This is a bestseller, and we're really excited to be getting more of these this year. And I think it's going to make a wonderful bedtime routine addition for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a DM or email us at hello@everafterbaby.com. Thank you.